Hello. Hi. Hey, stop there, my friend. Hey, stop there. You recognize me? Do you recognize me? Do you know me?
Oh no, I'm not sure. Have you met before?
Huh?
Have we met before?
Can't you recognize that you collected from I borrow you 50 pieces of foam? I borrow you 50 pieces of mattress for your late grandmother's funeral. Yeah. And how many months? How many? Okay, give me my money. I don't want to talk much. Give me my money.
But I didn't think I wasn't expecting to meet you, so you were.
You wasn't expect you. Hey, my friend, stop that. You wasn't expect what? Give me my money and stop that. How many months in here? Huh? How many months in here? Hey, my friend, stop there. Give me my money, or else I will shout. Everyone is going. Give me my money, my friend. Give me my money and stop that. Do you know how pains I've been going through since I gave you the mattress? Huh? When are you paying? When are you paying the money? First.
Stop relating the lady. What is going on?
Relax, gentlemen. I'm collecting my money.
No. You have to calm down. You don't talk to a lady like that. You're on the roadside. And if you are talking to a lady, you have to calm down and talk to the lady.
A lady bolo bolo.
What has she done?
So should I calm down for a lady bolo bolo? A lady who used to borrow things without paying. Huh? She has borrowed 50 pieces of mattress for her grandfather's funeral.
And so?
More than 5 months. I haven't seen her before. So since she collected the money.
Does it mean that you have to come and treat her like a trash?
She has to pay my money before I will let her go. It's 500 cedis. She has to pay me before.
Listen to yourself. Just 500 cedis. You want to embarrass her on the roadside for people to know that she has stolen your mattress.
We'll be on to my way na dio. My main country on that yes. 500 cedis.
Let me tell you one thing. We don't stand on the roadside to embarrass a lady like this.
But we stand the roadside. But we listen to me. But we stand the roadside and follow mattress without paying.
Let me hold on.
For 5 good months.
I'll give you the money.
Give me the money.
Calm down.
Okay, give it to me.
It's not 5 months. It's not 5 months. Hey, who charge you? You can lie. Hey, how you can lie?
I'm not lying.
How you can lie?
Hold on. You said it's 500.
Yes, 500 Ghana cedis.
Calm down. But what I want to tell you that we don't embarrass a lady on the road, even though if she owns you. So I'll give you the money. So calm down. Okay. How much?
I'm already down. It's 500 Ghana cedis. Give me the money right now. 5 million. Simple. Sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's fine. This is 500.
Wait, let me see. Let me count it. Hey.
You can't what? You can't what?
It's okay. It's okay. Don't stop embarrassing me. It's okay. Go.
You are lucky.
Go.
You are lucky that this man paid for you. Me, I can lie. If you try anything, I'll stop you.
I said I'll pay you. What's the problem?
What do you want?
It's okay, go.
What do you want from me?
Go.
I've collected my money.
What's the problem? I've paid you. You don't need to talk too much.
No problem.
It's okay, go.
No problem.
It's okay, go.
I don't want to talk much. No problem.
Okay, go.
I'm not talking much.
Go.
No problem.
Go.
No problem.
Go.
Hey, my friend. Talk to this girl. Talk to this girl.
Talk to this girl. It's okay. It's okay. I'll pay.
Are you getting mine?
Go.
Are you getting mine?
Go. I'll pay. It's okay, please. Everything is okay.
You are lucky. This man is your God. If not this man,
are you a lady?
I would have squeezed you, muzzle you, tap you on the floor.
Please leave him.
What are you coming to do?
I said,
what are you coming to do?
What's your problem?
Bolo lady like you.
And so
Lady.
I'll feed you.
What will you do? Hey, so please hold her. Hold her.
Now what you are doing is unfair.
Yes, hold her.
What you are doing is unfair.
Can you talk?
If she hurts me with that,
Please, go.
no problem.
Why are you talking like a woman?
No problem.
Why are you talking like a woman?
No problem. Go.
The money wasn't 500. I'll come back for the balance.
How much was it?
I'll come back.
How much was it?
It wasn't a 400.
She. Dog. Whoa. Pussycat. Meow.
What's your problem again?
No problem, my dear.
Hello, lady. Please, may I know your name? Oh, just the first time to get to know someone. So if I said Abna.
Yes.
Okay. I'm Nanaya.
So
I need your number. Maybe we must keep in touch.
keep in touch for what?
I want to call you.
Call me for what?
Oh.
Call me for what?
It's not
Oh, when
anything
yes,
bad.
na chetiaka. What better to be you do you na me comment of how be pass mouth.
Oh, really? Is that what you're telling
Really?
me?
Do you have any really here?
You know what?
I felt
Yes,
to
you just give me your number.
Oh, fine so bottom.
Oh,
Me set to waso. E
I
won
need
na
your
na
number.
chetiaka. O kwa kwamode me ma miske na say they will me chetia
but
o.
what you are doing, I can give you a lot of money.
At
Okay?
fama me na dia
So
ye.
just let me give you your number. Give me your
Bra
number.
me de be ma wa e ka start say ye no. E na kam de ma wo. Hey. Ona na chetiaka o ko to obi de ka. Twem. Obi ga obi ka twem.
Is that what you're telling me?
Masuma de tell me kama me. Masuma.
Whoa.
Me ba no. We am busi ani. Ah, ko to so o be to so obi de obi ka o nye di na ntwem ko o nye scam na bo so. Wo na na chetia. Esa be cha be dis na dey. Obi a
So it has turned back to me. You are embarrassing me.
Obi a no.
Oh, lady.
Unye ska. Tako ko asase na do. Don't be paying people's bill for them.
Shame.
Don't be paying people's debt for them. Masuma.
To me, Papa, than me.
Oh, papa, yeah. Obi say
I'm
papa.
just trying to assist you just to pay your bill.
No, who told you? Who told you? Who even told you? Did I ask you for help? Did I ask you
really?
for help? Oh yes. And I don't want to sika. Always want to call any ayo.
I can't even find him.
Any ayo ko. Ayo ka.
You know what? You just give me the number, okay?
Sanwachi.
We will talk in the evening, okay?
Bra,
Just
san
hold on.
ade.
Hold on. We will talk in the evening. Just give me the number.
Talk forward.
Just give me the number. Okay?
Say me kwa na wudi mechi. Ina international.
So you are not going to give me the number. Anyway.
Me phone cry say.
Anyway, I'm going.
Me phone na say you.
That's why I said
Me
give
pese
me your
me
number
koye.
so that we can talk.
Na onye phone na e den free.
Okay, anyway, I'm going. Since you are not ready to give me your number,
Bye bye.
I'm going.
Hey.